I bought a random expired domain for less than $10, and within a few days, it actually started making money. I honestly thought this was fake until I tried it. So in this video, I'm going to show you what Buried Profits AI actually does, what happened when I tested it, and whether you should try to avoid it. Before this, I tried everything to make money online: blogging, affiliate marketing, even SEO. But the biggest problem: it takes months to see results. No traffic, no rankings, no money. And honestly, it gets frustrating. So I decided to test it. Here's exactly what I did. Step 1, I found an expired domain. It already had backlinks and some SEO history. Step 2, I used AI to rebuild the website. Content, pages, everything was generated fast. Step 3, I added monetization, affiliate links plus ads. And here's the crazy part. Within a few days, I started seeing traffic. Not huge, but real traffic. And then my first commission came in. Now, let me be honest. This is not some magic system. Not every domain will work. Not every site will make money instantly. But it's definitely faster than starting from zero. The reason this works is simple. Expired domains already have backlinks, authority, trust with Google. So instead of waiting months, you're starting with a head start. Here's my honest take. What I liked: fast setup. AI saves time, low cost to start, multiple ways to earn. What I didn't like: you need to pick domains carefully. Not 100% passive, requires some learning. This is perfect if you want faster results, don't want to build from scratch, are interested in SEO or affiliate marketing. But if you're looking for instant money, this is not for you. So, would I recommend Buried Profits AI? Yes, but only if you're willing to take action. It's not magic, but it's definitely a smarter way to get started. Now let's take a look. What is inside the Buried Profits AI after you, Logan?
Number 1, which is the overview and proof. And this is going to be explaining a little bit more about how this actually works, even if in this video you can see how it actually works, right? So that's about the model number 1. The model number 2 is going to be finding your goal. So how do you actually monetize this? Going to be the overview or the basic steps for this. The model number 3 is going to be validating your domain. So the main idea here is that you purchase these domains really, really cheap. You can see some of those details on the actual sales page, but essentially you can grab these or some of these for cents from what I've seen in the training. The model number 4 is rebuilding your found goal. So essentially you can, see how these pages under these domains looked like in the past. They're going to be showing you how to do that, and then you can rebuild it using AI, essentially. Really awesome. The model number 5 is find your links to become an affiliate. So this is affiliate marketing. The model number 6 is finalizing your foundation. And in the model number 7 is the site audit setup. So it's basically just for you to make, this is working properly. And there is a section here. This one here. Yeah, this one here, model number 8, setting up your social free traffic source. Really good stuff, in my opinion. The model number 9 is passive income with Google AdSense. So basically, Google allows you to earn through, ads, and you can place specific, specific code to these pages. And since these pages are already generating traffic because someone in the past purchased these domains, and they're not active anymore, but they're still generating traffic, and you can leverage that traffic. One of those methods is Google AdSense. The other method is, flipping this for gold. So you can flip these same domains. You can grab this for, in some cases, 50 cents, and you can flip this for more. Okay. You can see the real proof of this on the sales page. So this is basically how this works, right? And it's very straightforward. It's training. It's not software. But what I like is that it's based on real results. Okay.
Get these exclusive bonuses if you buy from our link. Send screenshot on our Instagram page at Tricks Destination. If you want to check it out, I've left a link in the description below. And if you found this video helpful, hit like and subscribe for more honest reviews like this.